Hello. In my previous video, I showed how to install different NPM packages. And after watching the video, one of my friends pointed out something interesting. Anytime I type npm I jQuery, for example, or any other package, by default, in my case, I always get it added to the dependencies list, meaning is considered a production dependency. So I don't have to type -p. It by default it adds it as a production dependency. And my friend said that for him the default was always a dev dependency. So I was looking at npm and doing some digging, and I found out that we have, or npm has, this configuration. So I can see in here all the different settings from npm. So what I could see is that we have this save equals true, and also save dev equals false, and save prod equals false. For me, this combination sets it so that any dependency that I install is added as a production dependency. And the nice thing about this is that I can change that behavior. So if I wanted all my dependencies to be installed as dev dependencies by default, if I don't specify any flag, I can say npm config set save dev equals true. So now if I see the configuration again, you can see that save dev now is telling here that the default is false, but it's being overridden by user, meaning by me. And in here at the bottom, you can see that the overridden value is now true. So if I install npm, let's say view, if I type npm I view without passing any additional flags, you see that it gets added as a dev dependency. Something that could also be helpful in here is that if we set that config value of save to false, remember that it was true by default. Now anytime I install the package, you will see that by default it won't get added to my package.json file. It gets installed, but it is not added to the package.json file. And this is the same as typing no npm I gulp -- no save. So the nice thing about this behavior is that you can customize it based on your needs.